Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Adi, he's Ayu, and today in the last video we told you we were going to get the Ants Canada hybrid nest mini, and it's right down here. This is our ants. We put them in this because the others didn't work properly. Good here. And there's only one part that is glass. I guess it's like the thing you get see through. Here's the Ants Canada hybrid nest mini. Here's a look inside. And here's the glass. It's not secured. I guess you were supposed to put glue in this around it, and yeah. And here's the tube that you put in the test tube and connect it. And here's a test tube, the water test tube. First, let's lift this up and put some coconut husk. Okay, let's bring this close. Here's the hydration chamber. Okay. How about first with just need a little bit. We are done putting the coconut husk that we bought from the store for our flowers. Now you just put the first, but we do it when we finish, and we're going to sew all the pieces it came with. And you know about these parts. These parts. It's just the main chamber. This is the test tube. This is the tube for them to travel in, to connect to the Queen Ant test tube to this. And this test tube is for hydration, like you put the water here in it. And this is a adapter piece, and it's for you put it in and air comes through. This is also other AC adapter pieces. Now I'm going to put this in. We aren't going to connect it yet. Alright. Put this in first. Okay, now you put this in. It's the hardest part for me. So it's for me. Okay, I'll do it. Here are the ants. Now we are going to put this and this together. This side's supposed to go together. I can't show you, just look about right here. This goes here. Holes for the hydration to come in. How about let's just put the water now, because we don't know. Okay, now you put the water in. Not just so. Right here, this is where we put the hydration. Some water. If you want to see, we could just lift this up a little. Here it is. Just put some water on here. We're going to just do that a little bit. Now just put this. It's almost finished. We just need to put the water test tube and put the adapters and put the Queen Ant in. I know what to do with this. And here is the lid. When you aren't looking at them, you put it on so it's there. Now we have a barbecue stick to push it in. You have to do it fast. Okay, you just need to put it more in. Okay, like that, making sure no water comes. Yep, it's nice. Now you put, is this the one I got? Nope, here it is. Okay, now you put this, wrong way, this in. And now you put this in and put this on. Okay. We did it the wrong way before. And now it's the final thing. Then what's this? See these ants, they get to get out, trying to make barrels. Fasting. Once we open it to clean it, they start trying to run out. We will just first put the ants in. It's the first thing we want. Okay, now let's put it in. Now we are going to put the ants in. And we didn't put this because it won't fit into this. So we will just put this in and put cotton around. Now I just need my butter for this. Yep, it's a quick. Some died from old age. They just live. Most ant species for workers like not queens live for 3 weeks. 3 heat weeks. Okay, now just heat. I think. I know. Let's put this in. Now we put the cotton ball in to prevent them from escaping, and we are going to put a little bit of light so to encourage them to go into our hibiscus nest. A little far away so we don't burn them or kill them. They have eggs, so I don't want to burn the eggs. A little far. They aren't been encouraged yet. I know. We are just going to put this under. One's going in right there. One's going in. It's in. We can't do that because if I do this, it glows up in there. So, come on, go on in. This is quick. It usually takes overnight. Not true. I'll just. Yeah, it's not a piece. We're going to end the video now, and tomorrow we're going to say what happened. Like, did they go in or move in? And remember to like and subscribe. And they leave pheromones once they check it out.